Last time, Nathan said he could eat Ohana's wings all day, as long as he had the noodles and the pop stickers too. Here's the thing about Ohana's, the wings get all the glory, but ask anybody about the noodles and the pop stickers. That's where the real magic is.
Every smile, spark of light, a tale we'll always share. Magic in the air tonight, it's everywhere.
Hi everyone, I'm Natalie, and this is Disney Recipes at Home, the show that recreates your favorite snacks, meals, and desserts, all from the comfort of your home, until we get to see Vicky real soon. We started this series with Ohana's wings, and today we're going back to finish the job. 2 dishes that complete the vibe of Disney's Polynesian Resort. While dinner for one adult at the restaurant could be $70. We are making both of these dishes for less than $15 for your whole family. Let's get cooking! First, let's get started on the glaze for these delicious Ohana pop stickers. First, grab a bowl and put a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I don't have lemon juice, but I have lime. 1 tablespoon of lime juice. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. And at this point in the recipe, it says 1 clove of garlic. But I have garlic. But 1 clove? Why not 2 cloves? We love garlic. Next, we need some ginger. About ½ a teaspoon. And now to drop a teaspoon of olive oil. Next, let's grab our pot stickers. Most Disney recipes says to use frozen pot stickers, indicating they don't make them from scratch themselves. But we're going to make them taste amazing here. What a mess! Once it's open, we will whisk together all the ingredients that we put in the bowl so far. You can save some of the sauce to dip, but I'm not going to, because it's going to cook with it, so I don't think I need it. Now we can begin putting some frozen pop stickers in the glaze we've made in the bowl. We're going to do about 8. And these are the pop stickers that we are using. We got them at Walmart. Afterwards, we'll top the bowl with the lid and mix it around. This looks like a good lid. Seems secure enough. I knew it was going to do that too.
Well, at least they're all mixed.
It's going to marinate for 30 minutes.
It doesn't hop out of that bowl at you.
Facts. Now it's time to get started on the glaze for the noodles. Start with a cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of soy sauce, about 2 spoonfuls of minced garlic. That's about double what the recipe calls for, but it's good for your heart. We need about 4 tablespoons of pineapple juice. Be sure not to waste the rest. Finally, we'll put in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a ½ a cup of rice vinegar, and then whisk it all up. Next, we'll put the pot on the stove on medium heat and wait for it to boil. Now let's prep the noodles. For the noodles, you're going to want to use yakisoba noodles. We couldn't find just yakisoba noodles in its own little package, so we grabbed the teriyaki ones, but we already tossed those stuff in the trash, and we're just using the noodles. But we're going to cook it per the instructions on this. We're eating fancy tonight, y'all. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I did that again. That wasn't even... Looks like the magic spell was cast on the glaze to make it boil over. We'll reduce the heat and let it finish. Now let's cook the pop stickers that have been marinating in our glaze, like instructions on the bag tell us to do. The pouring of the juice is just optional. The thing about pop stickers is they take forever to cook. Boil that up! Next, we'll douse our cooked noodles in a glaze and toss them around. Prepare a skillet for serving these delicious pieces. And with that, we're done! This is a perfect way to cap off your first course at Ohana from home. Alright, let's eat!
Give me them nudes. Yes!
Those are really good.
That is it. That is it right there. I can just eat them and even eat them. How's that?
Really good. The only thing, it'd probably be good to, like, if you have an air fryer, to pop them in the air fryer for like a minute, 2 minutes, so it gives it that crunch. But oh my gosh, these are really good.
Flavor-wise, the sauce really helps it.
Yeah. This completes the starter skillet for Ohana. If you want to see more recipes made at home, be sure to subscribe and also leave us a comment and let us know what else you would like us to try. And if you want to see us make the Ohana wings, the video is right here. Have a magical day.
Give me more.